What's up, everybody? This is Mike Ofca. I'm the owner of Innovation Studios, and that's my cat, Sammy, sitting up there. And we are working on a mix for one of our clients, Chip Demonic. And Chip is actually in the process of changing his band name. It may be something different by the time this video is out. But if you look up Chip Demonic, I'm sure you'll find him. So specifically, I wanted to talk about recording drums and the way I like to record drums here at this studio. And I thought that this song is a good example of a typical drum sound that I like to record. I don't really do anything differently. I incorporate close microphones on the shells and a pair of overheads, as well as bottom top mic on the snare, in and out kick drum microphones. But this studio also has a secret weapon, and that secret weapon is the staircase. And this technique is actually famous from the band Led Zeppelin. They incorporated this technique on some of their recordings. And what you get with this microphone is this beautiful, bombastic, rich, gorgeous sound from all the old hardwood and plaster walls and the 23-foot high ceilings. And it's actually a perfect reverb decay time of around 700 milliseconds. And when I first bought this building for the studio, I recognized this potential right away. And I really need to tip my hat off to producer Jamie Wolford. He was here working with the band Punchline and Gene the Werewolf, and he helped me to realize the full potential of using this technique in this building. So, just to give you a little example of how this sounds, let me play you a little piece of this track. Here we go. So it's a pretty nice drum sound, right? So I'm going to turn off that microphone and let's see what that sounds like. Now I'm going to slowly bring in the staircase microphone as the track is playing. Play that track by itself. So sometimes I use a pair of microphones for this when I'm recording it in stereo. In this case, I only used one, but you're seeing two faders because I have the one track duplicated and it has a noise gate on it. Let me show you on the screen here. This is the staircase microphone right here, and this track is the duplicate. And on the duplicate, I have a noise gate. I'm going to solo the snare drum and the staircase gate track. And I also added some EQ to accentuate the mid-range. Gives it sort of a whip crack effect. And then when you feather the two tracks together, the gated staircase and the wide open staircase, just gives it a nice bigness and makes it cut a little more. It also gives the illusion that he's hitting the snare drum harder than he is. So, hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. And if you'd like a tour of the studio, if you're interested in maybe recording your drum tracks here or your full band and doing a full project, of course we can do that as well. Feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be glad to accommodate you and work with you. So I got to get back to mixing, but appreciate you watching the video, and hopefully I'll be hearing from you soon. Peace.